Hi guys, today we are here again with another very useful device. Does your car have Apple CarPlay and you want more features? Well, this device is just for you. This is the new Apex multimedia box that helps you convert your OEM infotainment system into a complete Android operating system. It comes with an Android 10 and 1.8 GHz quad-core processor. It has multiple features like downloading apps from the Play Store, watching YouTube, Netflix, Hotstar and much more. You can also connect your phone via Bluetooth for music and calls. Also, it has an inbuilt map system as well. So what are you waiting for? Walk into a store and get your infotainment system upgraded with more features. This device is compatible with almost all luxurious brands like Audis, BMWs and Mercedes. Stay tuned for more exclusive accessories.